Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're like me and wear sunglasses all year round, whether that's just to cut down on some glare or because it is really bright outside, then you're gonna love these pairs that I got from Breaksun. They have exactly what I look for in a pair of sunglasses. Number one, they are so cute. These are exactly the kind of frames that I wore when I was a teenager in the 90s, and I'm so glad that this retro look is back. It's oval with kind of a little bit of a cat's eye, and these are small frames, which for me is good because I have a small face. There's a lot of options that you can get in this style. I got the 2-pack that has white and black frames with gray lenses. The other thing that's a must with sunglasses is that there may be UVA or UVB rays coming at me, but with these on my face, I don't have to worry about it. You can just tell that these are well made. They're very secure, very solid, and they feel amazing on your face. You cannot go wrong with these sunglasses. You are gonna love them as much as I do. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.